Rec window. So X is the one we want. So instead of being, or Y, instead of being stat window, it's going to be underscore now if we load it up this time, it should look correct. Yay, undefined is not a function. Class wind, act CLS wind doesn't have get height. We want the this one. Okay, so do we do have H? When H? Yeah, I do. It's get height. So what's the problem then? I'm not calling it get height probably. I'm calling it something else. Create actor. No, we want rec window. Get height. That's what it is. Act CLS wind. Get height. 404. Yeah, it's saying it doesn't exist. Okay, 1H equals H. Class change status. Oh, that's why. I forgot to rename these. Derp. I'll be right back. I need to go. We have to deal with the... Well, the width on this is still not quite right. Yeah, things are really kind of screwed up. The width is not right on this, and the height on this isn't correct. This isn't correct, because this is all based off of what was going on with this. So we kind of have to reorganize how things are working. This isn't the best stuff to do when your brain is leaking out of your head from no sleep, but... Show middle thirds. So... It's all in the scene. Well, let's start with the actor list here. So the width is CLST wind, graphics width minus CLS. Why are we using CLST wind width? Because we're missing the width of this. Now for the requirement window, the height is kind of screwed up here. So, because they're based off of stat wind, which we don't want to do anymore. Okay. And create command window is also based off of stat wind, which we don't want to do anymore. So, oh wait, this should be a plus, not a minus. Alright, one width is fine, the height is fine, it's the placement though. The Y placement. So, Rickwind plus, act class wind. Besides, maybe totally screw things up. Alright, new game. Okay. Perfect. Works. Nice. Good. So we got this space now. Now what I want to do is, I want to grab this code. I just got to throw it in an empty text pad window, which I don't... Oh yeah, I do have one open. Okay, good. Throw it in there for now. I'm going to undo all those changes. Alright. So now what I want to do is I want to go through here, and all these places where we changed something, we're going to pull it out of here and we're going to put it in an if block. So let's go up. So line 395. Alright. So if gold cost... What was it, 2.4? If that should be B gold cost, not just gold cost. I call it gold cost. So where is... Damn. Ever get to this point, my memory gets shot to hell. So where did I define what the value of it should be? Okay, I tell you what, my brain is not working, spectacularly so. So I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a break for a while, go try and wake up a bit, and then we'll continue this later. Because I'll sit here looking through this, just scrolling through this code for 20 minutes, and that's all I'll probably do. So I just cannot figure out where. There should be a turn area here somewhere. At least I thought there was one, unless I deleted it by accident or something. So I will be back probably in, probably gonna go wash my car. Get the blood flowing to the brain and such things. And then we'll come back probably around, I'll be back probably around, maybe 45 minutes to an hour and a half from now. Alright, and we are back. Let's see. Where are we at here? Number 7, so 2 more to go. Good. Crap. Really quickly here. Hi everyone, this is Geo from Man Productions². For some reason, Vegas, whenever I load in rest here, it shoves down the yeah, the resolution down to some weird thing that the original footage is. And I guess when I put Mountain Blade in, it fixed it. So that should be fine. Alright, so, now that I've had some time to kind of stop my brains from leaking out of my ears, let's see if we can actually do this. Okay, so we were in the process of trying to, and failing miserably, put in some sort of new stuff for this plugin. So we're trying to go through and find all the places where I had changed stuff to do checks for the bool, which I thought I set somewhere with the tertiary that I cannot find now. Tertiary, whatever it's called, ternary or something, I forget now. Brain is better, but not quite better. So where did that go to? Or did I just wipe it out and not put it? I must have wiped it out and not put it back in. That's the only thing I can think of. Thing I can think of is why it's not even here. So what it was a. We were looking at enable goal cost. Update item. So enable item. We don't have enable item even. What's going on? Enable item cost. So gold cost parse in params. Okay, this is not even, I don't know, yeah, so my brain was like on meltdown or something. So this should be not, well, this should be, well, it shouldn't be called this, and it shouldn't be an int. So B is gold cost enabled. It's a little bit, we could probably say GLD CST enabled. Shorten it a little bit. And this should be a crap. No, that's that one. I want the other one. Yeah. So we're basically doing a comparison to true as far as what's coming into the string, and then that will spit out a bool, since it's a basically a comparator. So what we want to say is string, not parseInt, because we're not even. Technically, I guess you could make it an int, but it's just it wouldn't work that way, the way it is now. So params, so we need to do dot trim dot to lowercase. I think I have to do the dot trim to trim off the new line or something, and then to lowercase. And then equals true. So that's either going to be true or it's going to be false. And we just do the same thing down here, except instead of enable gold cost, well, we could say enable item cost. I don't even have to paste it in there. I think that's what it is. Yeah. And then we just change this to is ITM cost enabled. Alright. So gold cost formula, update item. We need a formula for the item too, to be honest. Because we have to say, okay, how many of these items do we need? So let's make a new parameter. So item cost formula. Description. This formula determines the cost or the number of items required to upgrade to various classes, I guess to a new class. Again, AVG. And we're just going to do something similar with the default. Who knows what it'll spit out, but this is just, you know, put something in and then we can fine tune it later. The first goal is to make everything work. And then we can go back there and say, okay, this thing's spitting out 5,000. That's too much to change from a novice to a warrior or something. So, I'm just going to take these headphones off because, of course, the problem is now where to put them while I'm not using them. It's down here will do. Because they're part of the problem. Makes this room really quiet. Alright, so we have this in now. We need to also then do a parameter thing down here for that. Store it. So it should be item cost, item ID. And this one should be then item cost formula. Alright, so those are our new parameters. Alright, so now we need to do a ternary or whatever it's called. There be cost mode enabled. Equals so B is GLD or B is item enabled equals true. True or false. So I'll put a note here. This will control alteration of the windows of the scene window sizes so that we can display the gold and or item cost. And actually we could put this all in one line. Alright. Now, what we need to do is we have to go back into the scene stuff and do what we were doing before, but then branch it apart. Yeah, so instead of gold cost, this is kind of where I got my brain started melting down. So like, didn't I already do something that was supposed to do for both, and then I couldn't find it, and then my brain exploded. So use that instead. Okay. We want this one. So, okay. So, create actor class window. So, I branched that off already. So, graphics width minus classless window. That minus stat wind get width would be our width for this one. Okay. And that could still work. The thing is, the height wouldn't be right. The height has to be something different. The height has to be the height that we're using up here. So I think we could safely just take this, put this here, and only then we can actually do this, which is nice. One line this these if else statements. All right. So now. Okay, requirements window. Yeah, we have to modify that as well. So instead of stat wind for the Y, it has to be act class wind. So if B cost mode enabled, else okay. Same thing with WinH. So actually this one will need to be a double liner. And of course this can't be const, has to be a var. Alright. H. And so stat wind, it's based off of actor class. And the command window, of course, also.